Hello everyone with my channel Gates Forever. My description today for home cooling and function of an air conditioner and humidity and air relative. First, humidity, a measure of how much water is in the air relative to the maximum amount air can hold at that temperature types of air conditioners. Room air conditioners, central air conditioning systems, heat pumps, evaporative coolers. Room air conditioners cool rooms rather than the entire home. Less expensive to operate than central units, their efficiency is generally lower than that of central air conditioners. Can be plugged into any 15- or 20-amp, 115-volt household circuit that is not shared with any other major appliances. Circulate cool air through a system of supply and return ducts. Supply ducts and registers, that is, openings in the walls, floors, or ceilings covered by grills, carry cooled air from the air conditioner to the home. This cooled air becomes warmer as it circulates through the home. Then it flows back to the central air conditioner through return ducts and registers. Split system. An outdoor metal cabinet contains the condenser and compressor, and an indoor cabinet contains the evaporator package. The evaporator, condenser, and compressor are all located in one cabinet. Outside air is drawn in, filtered and heated before it passes through the main air conditioning devices. The colored lines in the lower part of the diagram show the changes of temperature and of water vapor concentration, not RH, as the air flows through the system. Variable fresh air mixer and dust and pollutant filtration. Supplementary heating with radiators in the outer rooms, an individual mini heater and humidifier in the air stream to each room. How large your home is and how many windows it has. How much shade is on your home's windows, walls, and roof. How much insulation is in your home's ceiling and walls. How much air leaks into your home from the outside, and how much heat the occupants and appliances in your home generate. Air conditioners are rated by the number of British thermal units, 2, of heat they can remove per hour. Another common rating term for air conditioning size is the ton, which is 12,002 per hour. Room air conditioners range from 5,502 per hour to 14,002 per hour. Today's best air conditioners use 30% to 50% less energy than 1977. If your air conditioner is only 10 years old, you may save 20% to 40% of your cooling energy costs by replacing it with a newer, more efficient model. Rating is based on how many 2 per hour are removed for each watt of power it draws for room air conditioners. This efficiency rating is the energy efficiency ratio, or EAR for central air conditioners. It is the seasonal energy efficiency ratio, or SEER, built after January 1, 1990. Need have an EAR of 8.0 or greater, EAR of at least 9.0 if you live in a mild climate, EAR over 10 for warmer climates. As national minimum standards for central air conditioners require a SEER of 9.7 for single package and 10.0 for split systems. Units are available with SEERs reaching nearly 17. Look at the air conditioner in a window or wall area near the center of the room and on the shadiest side of the house. Minimize air leakage by fitting the room air conditioner snugly into its opening and sealing gaps with a foam weather stripping material. A year from 5.0 to 9 saving and payback period. Thank you for your watching our channel, and don't forget for subscribe and like for your